Titans of Wall Street, this is how really they've built billions in my lifetime. You know, when I grew up, there were companies that worked hard, made money, brought capitalism and invested in America and built it. Nowadays, it seems like all Wall Street does is just suck at the public tit of taxpayer guaranteed and get taxpayer funding and such. And examples that are Brookfield and Blackstone. And so here's a perfect example. Signature Bank was a foo-foo bank that I couldn't walk in the door. It would be some sort of a, they cater to high net worth individuals, but then they would lend their money out to these venture capital companies at ridiculous rates. And their investment strategy was to buy government bonds to offset the money because it was like printing money. And so all the executives are making millions of dollars, and they put politicians on the boards, and they get paid honorariums of millions of dollars, and they go bankrupt, which means they turn to taxpayers. We bail them out. We guarantee the loans. And then these Wall Street companies, Brookfield, which is a Blackstone finance company, is protesting because they and another pig at the trough related are fighting over $1.8 billion of these terrible loans. They want to be able to sell them at a profit and flip them. And so then later we find out that Blackstone and their partners are looking to flip. It's about $1.8 billion of these loans from this terrible bank that these guys use their companies as customers to get loans they didn't deserve. They go bankrupt. They turn to us as taxpayers, and we make good on the loans. And then they're going to sell these loans on behalf of the U.S. government and pocket hundreds of millions of dollars of profit. So the whole thing just stinks to high heaven. And if you wonder where tax money goes and how and why the banking system doesn't serve us anymore, Blackstone and Brookfield and these companies and our bank regulators and politicians allow it to happen are a perfect example.